Hello. All that you see happening is happening already. There is nothing you could do to change the happening. This is all there is. There is no person who can find another this or change this. And when the me steps in with its story, when the mind steps in, sometimes this happening is seen as being bad or being good, being right or being wrong. And this seems to create an isolation for the me, for the person. That's why when the personal feeling is in that body, you feel trapped, you feel bounded into a story named my life. Always that feeling that everything that is happening to me or for me. That is a complete illusion. This is pure aliveness, pure being. And this doesn't give a shit about your beliefs. That's a story. Yes, all your beliefs. And it's not real, it's artificial, it's not natural. If you pay a little attention, you can see that everything you judge, everything you believe about this is based on what others thought taught you about good or bad. You're able to see the illusion only paying attention, seeing, pure seeing, without judging, because judging comes for from teachings, let's say. You've been taught that some things are bad and some things are wrong. You never experienced that. It's time for you to see that the mind is always lying. It's time to see that you take the belief about the experience being the experience, the judgment about life, you consider it life. Is not true. It's a misconception. And all this mind story, all this me with its life, seems to veil the aliveness of this. The pure spontaneity, the innocence of this. It's not about you, it's not for you, it doesn't imply a new being there, a person. Whatever the mind says is lying. Try to question all that mind is saying about this. You'll see that is all just a fantasy. Nothing more and nothing less. And that fantasy seems to create suffering. That fantasy fuels the seeking energy, the expectations that sometime I'll be fine. That's also saying that you are not fine right now, that this is not enough. You are not enough. There is no you who can be enough. The you, the person you think you are, is always based on lack. Because of that interpretation of what is. And when the me appears, implies that time is real. So you judge what is, you judge the existence, lifing from the point of a person who heard things and notions about this when? In the past, from others. And so the me finds itself seeking what others said it is. Question the mind. Question the thoughts. Look for the me and you'll see you can find it. You can't even find the thoughts. Where are the thoughts? Where are you in this? There is no one in this body. In that body, everything just flows. A continuous flow of existence. Nothing personal. This is it. Right here, right now. Death and birth in the same time. And the minute you say now, it's gone. There is no now. There is only lifing. See ya. Have a good one.